How's it going, y'all? Justin Mitchell here from MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. I'm sitting outside this 2025 Mastercraft NXT24, and as you can see, it is Silver Surfer inspired. This boat has a beautiful, kind of quiet outside, but a absolutely loud interior. Let me show you guys. This boat is equipped with SurfStar and does have that nice quiet surf pipe, so while you and your family are enjoying the waves and all the riding, you don't have to worry about that exhaust or that steam coming up and getting your face or even harming anyone in the boat. As you can see, this boat is definitely Silver Surfer inspired on the inside with this awesome gray interior. This is the Cool Touch interior, so it won't ever get hot no matter how long you're out on the lake on those hot days we have here in Texas. What's really cool about this boat is it does have this flip back seat right here, so you can just one quick pull just like that, and it makes it where everyone can enjoy all the fun and the action happening behind the boat. This boat also does come standard with our clamping board racks. Makes it nice and easy no matter what style board you're riding, whether it's that skim style or that surfboard. You can always find space in your board racks, and they are extra wide for those surf styles. And then on our bimini, you can put 2 boards on top of the bimini along with 2 boards up underneath the bimini. So along in this boat, you can get 8 boards all throughout the tower on this guy. Thank you for walking through this boat. Come out to MarineMax Dallas and ask for me, and I would love to show you this boat.